It is day number 11 of my 31-day Seamoss challenge. I am taking Seamoss every single day for the month of October, sharing a video with you with one health benefit every day. I take 1 tablespoon of Seamoss for my breakfast to break my fast. I have nothing to eat until lunch. I have a healthy lunch, a decent lunch, and I have a decent dinner. So 2 meals a day. The third meal is my Seamoss. So I am going to take 1 tablespoon of Seamoss, and this is my homemade Seamoss, you all. I made this Seamoss from home. If you would like to see that video of me making this Seamoss gel from fresh Seamoss, that video is right here. So click on this video, it will take you to, click on this, it will take you to the video of me showing you how I make this Seamoss from scratch at home. So I take 1 tablespoon every morning. I rinse it down with some water. And I tell you 1 health benefit every day. Now, some of the health benefits that I have mentioned in the past, which you can see from this playlist that I will put, actually I put it right here. I think that's the only place you can put it, right? I will put it right here. The playlist of the last 10 days and the 10 health benefits you can get from Seamoss. We talk about the skin benefit that you get. Promote healthy skin. It promotes healthy blood pressure level, promotes healthy blood sugar level, promotes healthy gut microbiome, promotes healthy thyroid. If you have hypothyroid, not hyper, but hypothyroid. It promotes energy, boosting your energy and your stamina. And yesterday, I brought the men, the boys, to the front of the line, and we talk about the male health benefits, promoting healthy sperm production, promote healthy sperm motility, helping them sperms to, swim a little bit faster, getting where they need to be, and promoting healthy production of your hormone testosterone. Now today I'm going to bring the ladies to the front of the line. Ladies, come to the front of the line because we're going to talk about a health benefit that could affect men but mainly affect women. Mainly affect women of childbearing years, right? I have a sickle cell trait and iron deficiency anemia as a result of my sickle cell trait is something that I struggle with. Seamoss is a great source of iron. Right? So if you struggle with iron deficiency anemia, Seamoss has 92 of the 102 minerals that your body need that are essential. And iron is one of those minerals. Seamoss is also packed with vitamins. Vitamin C is one of those vitamins that's not only going to aid to boost and promote your immune system. Vitamin C is going to protect your cells from damage. Vitamin C is also great for your skin. And vitamin C aid in the absorption of iron. So you're getting a double whammy bang for your buck, you all, by taking Seamoss on a daily basis. Now, Seamoss is a great source of iron. If you are iron deficient and you struggle from iron deficiency anemia, so like I do, right? So in addition to be women of childbearing years and having a period every month and you're losing blood, most women, that can result in you being anemic, right? Also, if for those women like myself who may have the sickle cell anemia or the sickle cell trait, right? That will result in you being anemic as well. So we have a couple of things that's going against us. And for some of us who may not eat red meat like myself, and I from time to time have to take vitamin C supplement, have to take iron supplement, take the iron, then take the vitamin C to help to promote that iron. Seamoss is going to give me both of those benefits, you all. We already talked about the vitamin C benefit, but there's an additional benefit from having the vitamin C because it aids in the absorption of iron. Seamoss has 92 of the 102 essential minerals, you all. I have made 10 videos so far sharing 10 health benefits. I could go up to 92 and still have a plethora of other health benefits you can get from Seamoss. Seamoss is inexpensive, the actual weed itself, right? It's not that expensive. And then when you take it home and you make a jar like this, you're spending probably $6-7, right? You're gonna get some water, you may get some lemon or lemon to help to wash it and rinse it in. You're probably going to you're spending under $10. You can buy a jar like this of Seamoss, you guys, for $30-40, and it's well worth it if it's good Seamoss. But you can make this baby at home and save yourself some money, you all. So health benefits you can get from Seamoss is endless. But today we're bringing the women to the line. We're talking about iron, as iron affects a lot of us women, a lot of women of childbearing years, a lot of women who may be vegan or vegetarian, or like myself, I'm pescatarian. I have a sickle cell trait. So a couple of things that's going against me, right? And some of them are choices that I make, but I didn't ask to be born a woman. I didn't ask to have a period every month. I didn't or choose to have a period every month. I didn't choose to have sickle cell trait, right? That is something that was brought to me by my father, right? So thank you, right? But that is, we need to know ourselves, know our bodies, know the things that we may be deficient in. It was late in my years, you all. I was my senior year in college when I discovered that I had a sickle cell trait, right? And we can do a whole nother video on that, talking about sickle cell trait, because sickle cell anemia itself get a lot of recognition. But people who have the trait of sickle cell, and there may be symptoms that's associated with it that a lot of doctors may dismiss or debunk and so forth, right? And it just took me from my senior year of college until I was in my 30s to really get a grasp of what was going on with my body, the foods that I need to eat, the deficiency that may occur as a result of, being born with the sickle cell trait, and knowing that iron is something that I'm almost always going to have to make sure that my iron is on par, and my iron level is where it's supposed to be, and my iron stores, my ferritin is where it's supposed to be. And when I get the lightheadedness and the dizziness and wanting to pass out and it's confused, like what the heck is going on? My blood pressure is good, my blood sugar is good, all that stuff is good. And I'm like, oh crap, my iron, right? And for those women who may struggle with those, Seamoss is going to help you with that, right? And the vitamin C in the Seamoss is going to help with the absorption of the iron. So my name is Tina Gay Barrett, certified weight loss and nutrition specialist, specialized in teaching you how to use healthy foods, healthy seeds, healthy nuts, healthy herbs, healthy weeds, and healthy smoothies to prevent chronic ailment, to treat your body from some of the things that you had no control over, right? Like just being a woman, right? So start taking Seamoss, you guys. Follow, like, share, subscribe, turn on notification, because every single day for the next how many ever days, for the next 20 days that's left in this month, I am committed to taking Seamoss, sharing a video with you, and sharing at least one health benefit per day. I've already done 10. I'll put it right here, the playlist of those videos. You can go back and watch, but subscribe to the channel, share it with a friend, share it with someone who may need this knowledge, right? And you do not have to take my word as solely as religion. Go out and do some research on your own, and you can learn of some of the health benefits you can get from Seamoss, how you can make it at home for under $10. And you're going to get probably double the amount that you can get from a jar that you will spend 30, 40, and even up to $50 on. Okay? Follow, like, and share for more. Stay tuned for tomorrow. I'll give you the 12th health benefit you can get from having Seamoss in your diet on a daily basis.